Hey guys, hi, good morning everyone. Guys, as you know that today is the interview, demo interview, okay, mock interview kind of thing. So we'll try to see further joinees. Link is started bit, I'm like late today, so let others join. We'll start in 2 minutes of time. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll get it started, right? Hmm? So this is your mock interview, okay? Right. So today class will be asking few questions, interview questions. Then I'll be telling you how to upload your resume, how to get into preparation. Okay, what area you have to see first, and then after that, you will be getting the notes from me and interview questions, and you can expect the certification by Wednesday. Why Wednesday? Not Wednesday. Thursday. Sorry. Why Thursday? Because I have to purchase a dumps, new dumps. I have a old dumps. New dumps, it will cost around 3,000, 4,000 for one certificate. Okay. So I'll purchase it on Thursday and I'll share it to you. Thursday by before EOD you'll get it out. If you not get, you can message me. Thursday EOD. Okay. Certification. Now understand. Let's first, before going to interview, let me try to show you how you guys have to work it for your preparation. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. Just, you. Okay. Let's come to that first, guys. What all area you have to do? Huh? How to prepare? Guys, believe me, and don't take this session for other batches. I haven't taken it. I don't know, like some affections with you guys, so I just taking this much of elaborative session. Okay. See, only resume class we are taking. That too after completing the class, 1 week of later I was taking. But let's do for you now itself. Prepare. Understand. You have given me around 2.5 months of time. Okay. I want one more month of time. Okay. So what you have to do, 1 month of time, you have to complete. Okay. You have to complete all the topics. Okay. With practicals. All the topic with practical. Now grouping has to be stopped. Alone practice is needed. Grouping, whatever you have done in that 2 day, 2 month, 2.5 months, that's good. Now you independent, you have to drop it. Let's say you are stucking somewhere. What you will do? You have a beautiful group. You have a guy who is responding, Manoj and Javid. He is definitely helping. I really appreciate those two people. Okay. Others also are trying out, but these two guys are like working very hardly, and I really like appreciate this too. So they will help you. In case if they are busy or something, we have a batch by we have a online things by 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Okay. I request 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock you also to join, but not for asking the question. Let's see you don't have question. You join the batch. What happened? New people are joining the meeting, right? For doubts. Okay. For those things, you have to ask the question. No, they'll ask the question. If instead of Janardhan, instead of what is that? Instead of Manoj, Vijay, you answer the question. You help them. Believe me, you'll get more confident. You'll become more confident. Okay. So if you are free, 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, please join the call. Not to ask the question, to give the answer. If you have doubt, you can ask the question also. Right? This is the one thing. For the practicals. Next is, buddy. Since your Telegram group will be active for another 3 months of time. Okay. I mean the grouping not same link. I have shared you the link, right? 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Rajesh sir has dropped, no? I'll show you also. I'll drop it one more time. Okay, don't worry. See, this is the link. I think Rajesh sir has dropped you, but let me show you. Let me show to this. Right? Okay. Mail, you got it. 1 minute. I'll just give that to others also. Yes, guys. This one. 20th September, Rajesh ji has dropped it. Okay. Right here. So I request you to all to join this meeting. Not to ask the question, to get to answer them. Okay. So answering a question, see, you know, like why Manoj and Javir is doing very good? Tell me. No, they are not practicing more. They are listening your questions. They are trying to help out. So one thing he is doing 100 times, right? So it is there in your mouth, right? First thing. Next thing is, if you guys are stucking it, let's see, he is also stucking it. He is not actually asking a question to me. Believe me, these two folks haven't asked any question to me. Starting days he asked, but after that he didn't ask. He's going to Google, he's getting the solution, he's trying to get it into Stack Flow, he was trying to check it out, he's trying to get a solution. That's important here. If they are stacking, they are writing a mail to Azure also. You guys are writing? No, right? No one is writing now, but these guys are writing it. So that I want you to also do that. At least you try to connect from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Okay, that will boost your confidence level here. Believe me. I'll also join one day. Okay, I'll see who all my friends are joining. Okay, so please join the call. Right? Good. Apart from that, dear, 1 month you have to practice it completely end to end. After that, you have resume ready with you. Okay. Naukri, what is the Naukri profile? Is it ready? Is it ready? Okay, good. Is it ready? Then try to, now I'll tell you the skill how to update that. Okay. See, Naukri, you'll have your name, right? Okay. You'll have something. So daily, early morning, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 3 times, minimum 3 times. You just go and click on edit profile. What is that here? Edit profile. You just delete your name, write your name one more time. Not this, anything. And save it. So if you'll save it, your resume will go to top. It'll go to top. Whenever the HR he will come, he will try to get your resume first. See, buddy, Naukri, we have multiple guys are there. Okay, 100 guys are there. Let's see, now 100 guys have uploaded the resume today. So out of 100, if you're, let's see, any company want 10 guys, they'll not invite all the 100 guys for interview. They'll invite 20, 30 guys for interview. If you are in the top 20, then only they'll pick up the resume, right? Yes or no? If you're not uploading the resume, let's see, I'm not getting any single call now. I'm not getting any single call now. Rarely 1 or 2 I'll get it out. Why I'm not getting? I'm there on the Naukri. But the reason is because I have uploaded 1.5 months back when I changed my company. So my resume is down now. If I'll try to active it again, Okay, then it'll come. I'll get a call, but I don't want the job, right? So that's why. So I want you all to please edit your Naukri profile by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. This 3 time is important. Later you can do it 100 time also, no problem. But the HR used to come by office by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, like that. Okay. So I request you to do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 till 12. After that, no need to do. Night, if you'll upload, there is no point. It will go in the sit and the down only. Right? Good. Now, you will get a mail. Right? So, like if you upload the resume, no, you'll, I'm like, what is that? You'll refresh your profile, right? You'll update the profile, no? You'll get a mail from different company that there is a vacancy in this. We have a vacancy in this. You want, please give your first name, last name, and different, you'll get it. Don't miss to give, write 100 mails. You're getting a mails, reply back. You're getting a mail, reply back. You're getting a mail, please reply back. After replying back, what happens? They'll respond you. Pakka, they'll respond you. Okay? Don't leave even a single mail also. Right? No? Good. So you have got this point. Replying back of mail, you got this point. Okay. Now, don't feel shy in asking a reference. Even me also. If there is a vacancy in my organization, what's bad? I can give it to you. Okay. Internship, there is no problem. Okay. Internship, there is no problem at all. I can give it. I can help you. Next is here. Okay. Now, how to go ahead and start preparing the interview, or how to go ahead and start giving the interview here. Okay. Thank you, Lokesh. Next is, let's see that. You start at, let's see, today is September 26. Your interview is scheduled. Okay. With let's see, your interview is scheduled with L&T. Okay. You went to interview, this first interview. Don't become shy. Don't become like this. Be bold here. Even if for FAK, right? If you are that also, don't become bold. Think that you are a good, you have experience of 2 months, man, training, right? Become bold. Go there in the office, right? Go there in the office, become bold, and attend an interview. You don't know also, something you tell them related to that. Yes. Now, the good way to attend an interview is make a good introduction. Good introduction. I'm leaving up to you. Someone please work on this and put that introduction in a Telegram group. It should be, I have taken an interview of foreigner, foreigner, yes. They have introduction of 10 minutes. India, we are not doing it, but foreigner guys are having big page here, introduction. I don't know, they are keeping in the screen and reading it or what, I'm not sure. Okay. But they have very good introduction. They'll start with their training, they'll start with the project, they'll start with their skill, what they are doing now, what they'll do in the company, everything they'll do it out. Buddy, all interview will be there for around 30 minutes of time. Yes or no? Hardly 30. Rarely people will go for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Out of 30 minutes, if you're killing 10 minutes in introduction, how many minutes left? 20. Let's see if you're giving the introduction in 1 minute only. In 29 minutes, you have to suffer your question, right? Yes or no? Huh? Good. Now understand. So you just try to go with at least 5 minutes of time for introduction here. Speak slowly. Not fast like me, okay? Slowly. Okay? Give all the introduction. What is your current roles and responsibility? What you have done in the previous organization? What is your project? Everything you tell that. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes to take it out. Very good. Starting, they'll not be asking the tough questions. They'll go that what is Azure DevOps? What is Scrum Master? What is retrospective meeting? What is file sharing? What is PowerShell? Something like that question ask you. You know better? You have a very good knowledge? Expand it. Yeah, expand that answer. Give the definition first. Give that detail first. Give the example, expand it. Try to expand it here. Try to take the time. Good question, grab it more time. Let's see some question you don't know. It might be. If you know the related answer, tell them. If don't know nothing, then hands up. Sorry, I don't have knowledge on that, or I am not really, working on this. Okay. Right here. Ganesh, I'll come back to your question. Okay. Got that? So try to take more time to known questions. Try to spend less time on unknown questions. Clear, right? If you take the known time 5 questions, let's say starting 2-3 questions, you got easy question. You're spending your time as 20 minutes gone. Only 10 minutes. What they'll judge in 20 minutes? 5 minutes in that they'll go into your Azure only. 5 minutes they'll go into your DevOps. 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes they'll go into that GitHub. 2-3 minutes they'll go into the other things. Right here. Okay. So try to spend more time into the easiest question, guys. Easy question. Huh? Good. Now, let's see. You have an interview in L&T, first interview. Not sure you'll get selected or not. Okay. If you didn't get selected, don't become fed up. It's a first, it's an interview, right? It's not your life has gone. It's an interview. Money jobs are there, yeah. Okay, no. College you are getting fail, it's not a problem at all. Right. And this is a job, yeah. What is there? You go, I'll go with another company. IT guys, why we are rolling in? Because the thing is, manager will shout it. Why didn't you work on that? Okay. If you're not feeling well, I'll put on the paper. I'll go to some other company. What's the big deal? I'll get more package than you. At least 20% I will get, right? So, buddy, that's why. If there is any interview is not going good, don't take it wrong. I'll tell you, please purchase please purchase a new notebook, please. Everyone, please follow my words. Purchase a new notebook, brand new notebook, not your old one, please. Spend nearly 20 rupees on this. Huh? Purchase a new notebook. Daily, write it there. September 26th, everything you have to write like this. First page, September 26th, L&T first interview. Now they might have asked you 20 questions to you. Okay, 20 questions with you. You might forgot 10 questions. No, not 10 here. How you can forget 10 questions? 5, 2, 3 you forgot it. You have around 17 questions in your mind. Pakka? Right now? You come home, write all questions. 17 questions you write it out. 17 questions you write it out, buddy. Right here? After writing on the 17 questions, you just tomorrow is interview or 2-3 days bad you'll get interview, right? You just try to prepare all 17 questions. In such a way prepare that tomorrow if someone is asking this 17 question, I should not be failing it. Okay, good. Now let's see. The day has come for interview. I got an interview on September 28th. Okay, right? So today is an interview with, let's see, Naveen in CTS. Imagine that. Just okay. So again, I asked nearly 15 questions. Okay. Please go home. Try to get all the 15 questions. Make a note of that. This way, you have to do minimum 10 interviews. I'm talking worst case. People get a job in 5 interview only. Believe me. Maximum 5 interview. Worst case, go for the 10 interview. How many set of questions you have? 10 set. 10 into 15, around 150 interview questions. Live interview questions. Okay. Now this 150 interview question, tell me, next interview will ask 11th day, right? They'll not be asking question apart from this. That's my promise to you. Pakka, yes or no? Yes or no, dear? But if you're not writing the notebook, okay, what happens is, buddy, tomorrow again interview will come. They'll ask the same question. You'll become, oh, I would have seen that question in my internet. Oh, I missed it. Pakka, you'll say that, okay? So please make a note of that. 10 interview question that I am doing personally. I'm not telling wrong to you. Okay. I'm telling that I used to do that. And it give me very help. 5 to 4 interview will clear many interview. And if you clear one interview, you'll clear near 2-3 interview more. You just have to clear only one interview. Clear one interview, see that you'll get another 2-3 interview clear. because you'll get your confidence level high. Okay, and try to make this interview questions. I would be also giving around 50-60 interview questions to you. Okay, so all around you have a very good set of questions. 200 plus questions are there. Okay, see, interviewer also will come. Faiz and sure, interviewer also will come and they'll see some notes into that your system. Top 10 DevOps question interview. Okay, right now, if they have time, they'll see that and they'll come back there. So it's clear, right? You have to follow that. Now, coming to interview question, guys. I have few questions with me in front of apart from that, I have others also, link also. I'll be sharing this you. Okay. So let me try to ask few questions from this, or let's see, I'll go ahead with my own questions, guys. Okay. You have to answer the question, guys. Everyone. 1 minute. Okay, right. So guys, today I will be enabling the mic of every one of them. Okay, so that they can answer the questions. Is it the way to enable? Guys, you are unmuted. Okay, every one of you unmuted. But don't speak up now. Please go on the mute. Everyone, please go on the mute. Okay, whenever the question would be asked, start speaking up. Okay, but 1 minute. Raise your hand. Okay, it will be creating like a fish market. Okay, so let's see. Whenever we are asking the questions, raise your hand. I'll be saying that yes, you go ahead and do it. Okay, I have unmuted every one of them. Right? Are you ready? Can you start it now? I'll ask offline guys, online guys, because offline guys also have to answer, online guys also have to answer. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Let's try to ask first question. Venkat, you go on the mute. Okay. If you wanted to answer the, raise your hand. I'll tell the name and then you have to speak up. Thank you so much, guys, every one of them. Okay, good. First questions goes to online guys. What is the maximum space you can take up into the storage account? Raise your hand, don't speak up. What is the maximum storage space that you can keep into Azure storage? Please raise your hand whoever wanted to answer this question. Don't skip this question, man. We have Manoj. Any other else? What is the maximum space that you can show? So let me give the chance to Manoj. Manoj, please go ahead, buddy. Unmute. You can unmute yourself. Please go ahead, Manoj. Manoj, go ahead. You can unmute yourself. No, you cannot unmute. No, you should be able to unmute.
Yes, sir. We have a 500 GB space, TV space.
Okay, you got that answer, right? Thank you so much, Manoj. Okay, we have another Lokesh also and Savant next time. Okay, right. Next question, guys. What is the free node count we can go with the free trial? Free node count. Offline question. Offline, guys. Not online. Offline, dear. Please.
Five.
Who said 5? Darsan, right?
No, sir. Yeah, but right. It's
Okay.
a 5 notes.
Nobody. It's a 10.
10.
Okay. For free, you can create maximum up to 10 nodes. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Let's go for offline online. Okay, let's go it. This is not a session, right? So we can make a noise also. No problem. No problem. Fine, good. Next here. Next question goes it. Okay. So what is difference between Azure DevOps and Jenkins? How? Guys, you can speak up. Okay. Anyone can speak up. No problem. But someone is started speaking, other you keep calm. Anyone can speak up. Yeah, no need to say that you go ahead, you go ahead. What is, listen to the question carefully. What is difference between Azure DevOps and Jenkins? Tell me, guys. Come on. Please go ahead. Speak up, dear. Come on, dear.
Sir, in Azure DevOps, there are the inbuilt tools which we can use directly, but in Jenkins, we have to use third-party apps.
Very good. So Azure DevOps, we have already inbuilt component which through the help of that we can go ahead and we can update the CI/CD pipeline, right? But if you go to Jenkins, you have to install it from outside, and then after that you have to go for the schedule run and others and for deployment also, right? So it would be time taking. It would be like bulky for that users, right? Very good. Now tell me, dear, what is the what is the component of Azure DevOps? Come on, it's easy. Component of Azure DevOps. Online guys, come on, speak up.
A pipe.
Sir, reports, pipelines.
Boards is there.
Boards.
Good, good, good. Guys, we have a 5 component.
5 components.
What is that?
Azure
Azure board. Then?
Azure
Azure.
Repo.
Very good. Then?
Azure
Azure pipeline.
Yes. In that, build pipeline,
Build pipeline.
artifact, release
Release
pipeline.
pipeline.
And then is? Yep. 5 component we do have it. Okay. Very good. Tell me, buddy. I have. Okay. I'm giving a question to you guys. Okay. Understand. If you have something in your notepad. If you have something in your notepad. Good. Now you are making some changes to their notepad. You wanted to push to your GitHub. Whether you'll go ahead and commit it directly or you will do something else. What is the step that you are doing before committing the code changes in notepad, local?
Git need to clone first, like at local.
Okay,
Git.
cloning is done. Then next.
Need to add like need to save file and add for the commit. Need to add the git add. Is git add.
Okay, you guys are missing the important things. Before committing it, you have to move that work item to stage.
Okay.
Do you remember that, buddy?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Manoj, you can speak up here. No need to raise a hand because it takes time to go ahead. You'll go ahead and speak up, right? You are unmuted, no? Everyone is unmuted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can speak up here. Good. Got the point? What is that? Stage. So how many ways are there to make stages, make into stage? What are the 2 different ways? Okay, I'm talking about the command only. In command, how many ways?
Using git add.
Perfect. Next. But you have not given the right answer. Command is okay. Complete. Give me the complete answer.
Git add dot for all files.
Okay.
And git add for specific files we mention like.
Who is this? Savantaga. Right. So, buddy, if we are, let's see, you have made a 10 changes in the 10 files, huh? 10 notepad you made a changes, or 10 places, 10 files you made a changes, but you wanted to commit only 2. So in that case, don't go with a git add dot. Dot will go, everything will come. You have to write git add file name dot txt, file name dot some file name. Clear? Very good. Next question, guys. Okay. Let me come to the pipeline. Let's see, your pipeline is failing. Okay, no. Very good. Let's see. What is the common failure message that you have seen in your career? At least 2 common failure. During the deployment, not in the pipeline, during the deployment into your portal. Let's see, app service, function app, anything you are deploying, right? You're creating the application. What is the 2 common failure you have got it? Tell me. Error message. Subscription will actually, if you don't have subscription, you cannot create it also. You'll not move ahead. So did you get my question? What I'm trying to say? In your portal.azure.com, you guys are creating any services, right? App services, function app, Kubernetes, anything, virtual machine. What is the 2 common error that you have occurred into your career?
Resource quota problem.
Very good. Who is this? Okay, good. Thank you so much. Others, buddy, come on. Resource quota is a common thing. We are getting it right. Very good. Others, please. Other question. Other answer. Mano, Javir, come on. Others, guys, please, offline. You will, that's it. No, you'll get one more. Conflict issues also get it. Okay, so what happens now? Sometime your name would be already used. You started writing, someone would have already credited. Okay, so there will be conflict. That also will get it. Yes, that also will get it out. And you have got a message like API validation. That last time Manoj was sharing this, getting that API. That is also an issue, no? Good. Now let me come back to my first. I'll go with the Agile. Few question on Agile. What do you mean by product owner? Guys, online guys, we have 44 members, but I can see only 4 members unmuted. Where is other folks? Come on, Lokesh, Faijan, Dheeraj, Devender, Jitender, please everyone, come on.
Owner can manage the Azure board related stuff. Is owner of the Azure boards related all tasks. He can create a task and assign to specific person or specific team member.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sound good. Others?
So product owner are tracking the status of work, means how it's going and so on.
Good. Others? Ganesh, come on. Jitender, Dheeraj, Devender, Dipali. Others, please go ahead. What is product owner? Buddy, what is product what is product owner? Who is product owner? Very good. Others? Raju, Rupali, Sheikh, Washim, Srija, Susma, Pravalika. Okay, understand. You guys need a quick revision on that my previous session. Product owner. What is the product owner? Product owner will act like a project manager. Product owner will act like a project manager. So he is the whole and sole responsible for your project. Right? Guys, today you can be on the unmute, no problem. Okay, it's not a problem. There is no recording. I'm like, it's not needed. No, it's just an interview question. Okay. So product owner is just act like a project manager. He is the whole and sole responsible of the product. He will take a decision how many stories we have to take into the current release, who would be the working on this current release, everything. Clear? Right, buddy? Right here? Fine. Next question is, I'm going with line by line, okay? What do you mean by retrospective meeting? What do you mean by retrospective meeting?
In a retrospective meeting, we discuss about what things goes right or what things goes wrong, and spending work we move into the next sprint.
Perfect. Good job. Great. Any other guys? Manoj, Javir, you can speak up, buddy. No need to raise the hand, buddy. Okay. I said it before, but I cannot control it. So anyone can raise it. One more definition I want from anyone. Retrospective. Offline guys, come on.
Retrospective meeting related to the current work what we have and related to sprint and how we're going to improve that. And it's related to all it's update about the sprint planning.
Okay, so tell me, who all are the participant of retrospective meeting? Whatever both of them said that it's right only. Everyone is right. Okay, guys, no need to raise the hand. Ganesh, you can directly speak up. No need to raise hand. Javir, you can directly speak up here. Okay, got the point? So retrospective is a team meeting which usually You guys haven't said that one thing, important thing. We are doing at the end of the sprint to discuss what went good, what went bad. Is there any changes that need to take in the next release? Who would be the participant?
Developers, tester, DevOps guys.
Yes. So the participant would be everyone like product owner, developer, QA, DevOps guys, Scrum Master. Support will not be there. Support will not be there. Okay. Very good. I'll close with another 2 questions from the retrospective meeting. Okay. Another question is, what do you mean by burn up chart? Burn up chart. What do you mean by burn up chart? I don't say, sir.
It is
like
how much task done.
1 minute.
Versus dates.
It is how much task done versus days.
Guys, I'll be in the mute. Okay, 1 minute.
Hello.
It is a graph.
It is
That's
how
why
much the task. It represents that how much task done versus day.
it shows the project process all the time.
Hello. It is how much it represents that how much we task done versus day. Burn up chart.
Hold on. Then for break it.
Okay, Manoj, everyone is unmuted here. You cannot unmute yourself? 1 minute. Everyone, 1 minute, I think. See, I unmuted mute. Okay. Allow participant. Allow participant to unmute themselves. Yes, you guys can unmute yourself. Manoj, can you speak?
Yes,
Burn
now
up
it is.
chart.
It's the burn up chart. It is represented how much work done versus day.
How much work done in a day versus hours?
Perfect, perfect. See, don't get confused with down and up. Down means how much is a pending.
Pending.
Yes, pending versus days.
That is a burn down chart.
Yes, perfect. You are right. That is a burn down chart. But if you go with a burn up, it is something that
How much
the
work done
task
by
it is
Task
completed.
Yeah.
Right, with respect to the time. Very good. One last question I'll be asking for them. Okay, from Azure. Then I'll move it to the Azure services. Okay. What do you mean by story point? Stories. I told you story, right? Please tell me.
Story point
It is a requirement.
Complex.
Guys, if someone has started, others please give a courtesy. Please stop it. Go ahead,
Yeah,
please.
it is a requirement. Story point. It represents that requirement of the project.
story point just to explain complexity level of your requirements. That
Good. Who
what-
is that? Is it Manoj? Yes.
Yes.
Right, guys. Everyone is trying to give the right answer. I'm not telling that. I really appreciate, but story point shows the complexity of your story. That means your user story. Okay. See, I'll tell that how to reply to the interview. Okay. Interviewer is asking question that what is story point? Don't tell that, sir. Story point is nothing, sir. This is sir. Okay, not like that. Tell
So
that
sometimes
professionally.
he is saying like that.
You have to tell that story point shows the complexity level of stories, user stories. It can be also called as a requirements. Okay. Based on the story point, we can decide how many resources required, or based on that, how many resources needed to work to you. Okay.
And
Good.
we have to follow Fibonacci series also.
Right, very good. Story point would be written into the Fibonacci series. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11. So if you give this type of example, now you are you're cutting their time also. Huh? And they would be impressed also. Clear? There, Fibonacci series. Okay, good. Now next question there. I'll go back to my Azure portal. Okay. What do you mean by app services? What do you mean by app services? I cannot see these guys here. Where is the Devender? Devender, Darshan, Chandrasekhar, Aniket, Sai, Venkat, Dheeraj, Ganesh.
Azure Web App is a cloud-based platform for hosting website. It is a platform as a service which is allow publishing web running on a multiple framework and written by a different programming language. That is called app service.
Got the point? So app services we have done multiple times, right? App services is a services of Azure. Don't say that Azure DevOps. It's a services of Azure. Huh? App services is a services of Azure which is used to create a website. We can write that a app service in the different languages. Like it is used for the front-end developer. Okay, front-end development. We can write it in the React.js, Python, .NET.
Yeah, different programming language.
These are different language. You're right. So once you complete it, okay. Now tell me one thing. I have told you this thing before itself. I want someone to raise it. What is the end-to-end process of Azure DevOps, guys? End-to-end means getting a code, deploying, handing over to next. Tell me that entire procedure. Can someone tell me? End-to-end. I did it last time here, board I showed you also. End-to-end process here for SDLC, and not SDLC, focus more on the DevOps side.
Can I tell, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead. Anyone can go ahead, buddy. No problem.
Developer to the Azure DevOps or GitHub. And,
Okay.
And DevOps job will come at a time of deployment only. And for that, DevOps need to create pipeline. And for pipeline, we need
the developer develop the code and send to the like repository, and DevOps guy come and take our code and create a build pipeline also and release pipeline also.
Okay. Shall I speak up now?
yeah.
Okay. See, buddy, if someone is asking the end-to-end, first of all, you just try to explain them about little bit about SDLC. See, end-to-end means like it's something like how the Azure DevOps will work. First thing is, we have a different phases of SDLC. Okay. Yeah. In that, we are one of that Azure DevOps. So what happens is, first, whenever you are getting it, you guys are getting a requirement. Okay. After getting the requirement is nothing, it's called as a user stories, right? So after getting the user stories, a developer will send a like list of that you have to do. So based on the user story, you will start writing the app services, function app or database, whatever you want that. Okay. After that, you have to give the URL, or you have to give that what is that URL of that any services. You have to send a mail to developer. Developer will send a code to you either GitHub or they'll paste to your Azure repo. Okay. So based on that code, you have to do the deployment. You can make the use of Azure DevOps services. In the Azure DevOps, we need service connection. In the service connection, you could able to connect with your Azure DevOps and Azure portal, right? And based on that, you have to move ahead here, right? Now understand that. Tell me one thing. Next question, guys. Okay. What do you mean by CI/CD? Please explain with the help of example. That's it. You have to tell the full detail. Think
CI/CD
that-
basically, yeah.
What do you mean by
Continuous
CI/CD? Explain with the help of example.
Yes. It's like a continuous integration and continuous deployment. Basically, CI/CD we can create like in CI, like we can create the pipeline, and like inside the pipeline we can like import the like Git repos or like GitHub, and it creates the build, generates the build,
Okay.
and inside the like continuous deployment. And if you need like continuous integration, you can make trigger also there. When any changes happen in Git repos, and from there it will be pick up code, and it will be like build the artifact. And see at this continuous deployment, it will be create like uh, it takes the build from the artifacts, and it will be deployed to the web app.
Also in the future, we have to take a like enable CI and also CD.
Yes, sir. Trigger we need to enable.
Automatically will be run.
Whenever any commit is happen inside the
Whenever there will be changes in the code, so that will be automatically deployed.
yes.
Good. Yeah. What about CD? Adding it more information on the CD. CD. CI, you have given a best example, buddy. Everyone. Example you haven't given. You have given only explanation. Okay. I want someone to go with the CD.
So continuously deployment, we have we have to need an artifact also. After that, we can release the any software like app service, well, everything we want to do that. We have to enable CD also.
Okay. Where is example, dear? Interviewer will not ask 5 times same question. Come with the example, buddy. Tell me. Come on, dear. Anyone give the example of CD here quickly? You forgot our the demo class? Flipkart example, Facebook example, Messenger example. We have given multiple example, right? Give me one example, no? Offline guys, you can also give. Online, what happened? Come on. Give me example of CI/CD.
Like Facebook, we are checking like front page also not
Want to
working,
stop.
like login option not working. We have to take like any changes in that. We have to take a time and update code and run up code.
Like a developer will be changes with the code and with changes like
Who is that? Someone needs to mute.
Okay. Right. Good. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So I'll just quickly explain. Okay, with example of one Flipkart or something. Let's go with the Facebook only. So if you go with the Facebook, see, first of all, how to explain the interviewer. CI/CD stands for continuous integration, continuous deployment, or delivery. Okay, both are fine. Okay. CI means CI/CD will boost up our speed of deployment. Okay. So we'll go with one example. Let's see. Buddy, someone is. If you're talking, it's creating a background noise. Okay. If you're not talk background noise, you can be on mute. So can you mute
Yes, sir.
yourself if you
Someone
don't
need to
mind?
mute.
Or else I have to unmute you. Okay, fine. Fine. So let's see there, buddy. So let's take an example of Facebook. So Facebook, we have a Reels, we have Messenger, we have Marketplace, we have main page, we have a post and everything. Let's see something went wrong with your Messenger. You are not able to get a message or send a message immediately. So there is an issue. We have number set of, let's see, 500 lines of code is there for Messenger. That is a live to the customer. So what happened? Developer will make some changes, and that make changes, it is coming up in your live immediately. Okay, that is called as a CI/CD. CI will be achieved with the help of build pipeline. CD would be, yes, CD would be done with the help of 1 minute here, with the help of release pipeline here. Okay, so that is a part of the thing. Our no testing. It's completely our job. But we are doing anyway small thing, less thing. Okay, so CI you can achieve with the help of trigger, then enable the continuous integration. CD you can enable on the top of your artifact with the flash symbol. They have flash symbol, right? That one. Got that. Next question, guys. Okay. What do you mean by pipeline? What do you mean by pipeline? What do you mean by pipeline, dear? Please, quickly. Okay, that is a pipeline. Okay, give me some more information on that. Come on, guys, online. What do you mean by pipeline? Please go ahead. Tell me. Give me with both what I told. You know the answer. You know the answer. So try to take some time. Go ahead, please.
Sir, Azure Pipeline provides build and release support.
No, you go ahead. No problem, Manoj.
Yeah, continue integration and continue deployment for your apps.
Hello.
I can hear you. You can go ahead.
Yeah, so pipeline means it actually automatically build the code and test the code, and it gives us the result, is whatever the error will be there. So generally, the use of pipeline like that.
Right. Interview I'll manage. One day. Okay, go ahead with them and discuss. Increase your vocabulary. Right now, you know that answer. I know everyone know the answer. Okay, everyone know the answer. But speaking is important. You know the answer, but you're not speaking in front of interviewer. What they think? They'll not think that they you know that you already have done a class in the RSIT. Right? They'll not know that until unless we are not speaking, we are not opening our mouth. They'll not able to understand that this guy know that. Clear here, please. I'll tell you that there is a dilemma here. Okay, you can see my way of always. Who is the senior than me? I used to tell them, sir or madam. But that is not the thing. It depends on personality. Okay, it's not mandatory to tell them as a sir, madam. Interview, don't tell them sir or madam, please. Understand? Interview. Once you get selected, you go to office. Your senior, you tell them sir, madam. It's not a problem. But we are IT guys. Guys, don't tell anyone sir, madam in interview. After getting selection, your choice. If you wanted to take, let's see, there's a guy of 40 years old here. I cannot tell them their name. Obviously, my mouth will go as a sir only. Okay, but interview, no sir, no madam. Only with them. Let's say Naveen is joining. Don't tell that Naveen sir. No, tell that Naveen. Okay, this also shows that you are what type of guy. Clear here? Always tell the name. Don't tell sir, madam in interview. Clear? Whoever it is. 60-year-old, let it be. No problem. Okay? Alright. I have seen in the many interview that people will tell minimum 10 times sir. Sir, yes, sir, will do, sir. No, there is no sir, madam here. IT world, there is no sir, madam. All are senior. You need to respect with the name. Okay. Later you join the company, you say sir, brother, bhaiya, anna, whatever you want. Okay, it's not a problem at all. But right now, no need to go with the sir, madam. Clear here? I'll tell you that. See, total around 3 round of interview will be there. Okay. First round interview, the basics round. Okay. It just that too also we have a screening call. Sometimes we have a screening call. A screening call will be always on the phone. Okay. They'll just ask how many years you worked, what is your expense, how much salary you will take, what is your notice period. If they want, they ask 2-3 questions. A screening call will not be taken by the technical guys. HR only will take it. You have that 10 questions, they'll ask the question. So be bold, don't concentrate on the quality. Tell anything. Bold. Okay? Then if you get selected in that, you have a first round. First round technical. So this round would be main. Okay? Main means it will show the performance here. Second round would be bit okay, come difficult. Okay? Technical, not difficult very much, but yes, it will be okay, because it would be taken by your lead or manager. Okay, right? Later would be the client round. Somewhere, not all company will have one client round. Client company will coordinate, and that from US or UK guy will contact you. These guys are very good. They'll not only they'll see your confidence level, way of speaking. That's it. This is optional, dear. It depends on the company to company. Then next would be HR round. Okay? HR round, salary discussion, negotiation, everything will be done in this. No, Form 16 all they will not be discussed in HR round. Okay? Once you get selected, they'll give you the offer letter. There they'll mention that you have to give Form 16, pay slip, many more things what they want that. Okay? Right here? So these all things are there. Fine, guys. We have few more questions that I thought of asking, but I didn't get a time. Okay. No. Manager, no. So they'll just check, see, observe you. They'll observe you whether it's a real guy, fake guy, something like that. Be bold. No system, nothing. Only practice, only verbal. No, nothing. What is? Pipeline. Very good question. Right, I'll tell you. See, pipeline is nothing. Basic language, it is called as a pipeline is a way of compiling the code. Okay? Way of compiling the code. We have a 3 different component of pipeline. First is called as a build pipeline, artifact, release pipeline. Build artifact, you are getting the code from your repo, you are just trying to change into that artifact. Okay? So it's kind of just taking the code and molding to that useful things. After the useful things is coming, like artifact is coming, okay? You are using that artifact for the release. Release means what? You have a set of code that you are just opening your mouth and you're eating it. Okay? So that you are sending to your app services, function app, somewhere, that is called as a release pipeline here. Okay? Tell me one thing. If I have a set of SQL, queries in the format of script, do I need to create pipeline or shall I directly go to release pipeline?
Release pipeline, sir.
We have to go to direct release because it is already compiled the code.
It's already code. It's already
Good.
combined code.
Okay. So we don't need to reply because we already have a code with us. Artifact kind of code is there. We can directly go to release pipeline and artifact place will use our script. Okay. Now, dear, good. So you tell me one question. Okay. Let's come to something about PowerShell. What? Okay. PowerShell Ansible, no, PowerShell, Ansible. These two are almost same. Okay. Then why I should prefer PowerShell? Yes, it's a hectic task for us, and multiple steps are there in the Ansible playbook, and others are there. But PowerShell is a simple thing. Now tell me.
PowerShell is the easier way to.
So
Yes, dear.
PowerShell is a Microsoft product. That's a
Go ahead, please. Online guys, go ahead. No, you guys are saying something, right? Please go ahead. Please go ahead, yeah.
The PowerShell is the easiest way to. We have to like put the command and run. We can create everything with the command also. In the Ansible, we have to like enable anything like playbook, whatever we have to.
Okay, good. Now another question, guys. Okay, let's talk about the PowerShell only. We can do through the UI also, right? Portal also. Then why we need that PowerShell? Manoj, Javeer, Savant,
because
Chandrasekhar.
we can
We did like it's faster than the like UI.
Tell me, dear.
With the command,
This
we
is
can
the faster than
the
the
we
manual.
can get web app and others like whatever we need.
Okay.
We have to go the portal and enable these and with the PowerShell we can do the with the command also. This is the fast and easier way to in the PowerShell.
Right.
it's a faster
To automate
than
the process.
portal.
Okay. See. Right. Thank you, online guys. Okay. I think almost everyone has given the right answer. See, buddy, I am in Amirpet. I have to go to SR Nagar. I can go directly straight to SR Nagar from right side. I'm talking about the Hyderabad guys. But what if I'll go to Begumpet? Then that Lal Bagh, I'll take that right. I'll go to that Maitrivanam building. Then I'll go back to SR Nagar. Right. PowerShell is the easiest way to create the services here. Easiest way means everything there in the one place. Just writing the code, hitting it. My work is done. But if you go to that application, UI, login, subscription, create, next, deployment, validation, it takes some time. Got the point? That is the benefit. Now, usually PowerShell will be used for the automation purpose. Okay, we'll write a code and the guy, automation guys, testing automation guys, they will make use of it. Come on. Come on, code we don't have. Come on only. Okay, now one more question guys. Okay, please answer me. Right? So, important question for you, that is the common question that will please make a note somewhere in your like mind. Common error message you guys are getting during deploying your code. I mean build pipeline. If you don't know the answer, make a note of that, search in the Google, write a first answer in your interview question list. Common error message that you guys are getting into the build pipeline. Source code issue, exit one issue, package issues, right? We are getting a package issue, source code issues, right? Many more are there, no? So just try to prepare that.
Yes.
Okay, guys, understand. Now, what I have to do it, okay? Right, understand. Your Telegram group would be active for another 3 months of time. Now is September, October, November, December. 3 months. I want everyone to see you in the job by a December end. You'll have a job. Okay, so you have a 3 month of time. Your vacancy will come more by October month. October full, November full, December 5-10, only till 10. So try to get selected by 10, before 10. Okay. After that, full December, full January, there is no vacancy. Very less vacancy will be there, yeah. I got many time job in December only. January only. No, I got a job several times. It's not a problem at all. The vacancy will be there, but less. Then again, we'll go ahead with the February. February, March, 2 months only. Again, stop. April, hike is so everyone, no one will put the paper. After getting the hike, everyone will put the paper. Okay. So, but if December 2, so I want you to get it a job before December itself here. Right. Your group is active. We have active member. You're lucky that you have friends like Javir, Manoj, Savant and others. Okay. These guys are helping you out. Take a help from them. If anything, personally ping me. Don't make one guy ho, everyone ho. Okay. You just understand any issues, directly come to me. Please ping it to me. I'll definitely help out, or I'll assign Manoj, Javir, or someone to help you. I request everyone to join the call by 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Not to make just sound. Okay, that you are there. You have to help others. If you help others, you'll be able to do it out. Hi Naveen, I'm looking for the improve the skill now for the internal project requirement. I need to do the certification. Good. So certification, guys, understand. Certification you will be getting on Thursday EOD. What is that? Thursday EOD, AZ 900, AZ 400. Dumps, new dumps you'll be getting it, not older dumps. New dumps, latest dumps, we'll getting it. You'll get the interview questions. I have already there with me. Okay. I'll share to you on your Google. So you want to go with the Google Classroom or shall I go with the Telegram? Which one is easy for you? Which one will be easy for you?
Google Classroom will be best.
Google Classroom, fine. I'll go. Yes. And apart from me, if someone is having some questions in their mind, please paste it in the Telegram group. Right? Apart from me, okay. If someone has a interview questions in your mind, please paste in the Telegram group so that everyone can get it. See, treat Telegram group as your family member here. Okay. Help others. If you're, I see that you guys are not responding at all. Okay, only 2-3 people are coming up and like helping others. It's all responsibility, buddy. Can you help in that certification? I will not be helping, buddy. Okay, certification questions I can give you, dumps I can give you. I can give you that. What is that? Discount coupon I can give you, but I cannot write into the exam for you. Okay, right here. So two things. Interview questions will be getting today. Notes will be getting in today. Apart from that, you anyone like thanks to the Faizan because Faizan has helped me for creating the notes. Okay.
Could you please help with the certification? Is
I
it
have that
must?
PDF. No.
No. First we have to do the 400, then 109 as you suggested.
You can go with yes. 400 is your DevOps, and then after that later you would be going with your 1 minute here.
AG 900.
Yes, AG 900. Later on, AG 900. Yeah, Jenkins. No, I'm giving it. I have a file with me. What I shown you, no, I'll give it. Don't worry. Okay, we'll do it out. Okay. Next, Faizan, you already have notes with you, right? Who is this? This is Ganesh. For freshers, only one project you said to keep in the resume, which has given by us. Yes, yes. Freshers, one is more than sufficient here. Okay. Freshers, more than sufficient. Freshers, one more than sufficient. Right here? Okay. So guys, again, you'll be getting the notes, interview questions in few hours. Okay. In the Google Classroom. If possible, give the Telegram group also. Any discussion, please do in the Telegram group. I'll be acting on the Telegram group. You can give me a call also. You can write a personal message also. It takes some time to respond, but make sure that you'll be responded. If any topic you are not sure that you want you to do it one more time, please write a message to me. You can come and join our another batch also. Not all, few topic. Right here? Anything else? Coming to Terraform code, right? We are working on it. Me and Manoj are working on it in the master session, master class. Okay. So you'll be getting the course in 2 days of time. Okay. That too you'll be getting before Thursday. Right, Manoj? We can expect by Thursday, right? Tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, we can do that,
Yeah.
sir.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can share the code. Latest code to you. Right here? Anything, please drop a call. Okay. This SDLC. Parcel. No, it's all about the topic wise. Few topic, let's say you'll get app services, you'll get the Jenkins, you'll get Kubernetes, you'll get Docker. The important topic we have given you. Small things you can get it out there from your own. 5, 6 are there. Topic list that you can go with this. Others, if you have any others, you put it in the Telegram group. Don't keep it to you only. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you so much for joining, dear. I really appreciate every one of you to make this training very successful. Okay, right? Very successful, guys. I'm reachable in my Telegram group. I'm reachable in the Telegram. You can get number from the Telegram. You can call me. You can talk to me. Okay, guys. Everyone who is talking to me, I'm definitely responding back to them. And really, main thing is you are the one of the best group. Okay, best what is that? The batch. Because the thing is, you have supported me a lot when I was sick. I was out. Okay. And the thing is, you guys are main understanding. You have a good collaboration between everyone. So one guy is raising a point, other guys are helping them. That is the important point. I can say that. Okay. Thank you so much for making this best team, buddy. Feel free. Ask any type of doubt to me, Manoj, anyone here. Approach it to me. Okay. Now stop grouping. Start preparing. Okay. Once you prepare, interview again, make a group. Right. If you need this type of session from me, future, I'll do my best to do it out. Interview class, if possible. Okay. So please try to. Thank you so much for joining. All the best for your career. I want everyone to get a job before December. Please don't delay it. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Take care. Have a nice rest of the day. Now we are not connecting officially. Today is the last session for you all. But yes, we will get connected to the Telegram group for lifelong. Group I'll close after 3 months of time. If you are okay, I can keep what is there in the keeping that. Okay, it will be active. Right? Fine. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Can we give me the last 5 videos? Who is this? Faizan, is it? Faizan only. Faizan, please. Sorry, Faizan. I don't have any control in the videos here. Even I don't know my videos. It is not with me. But Faizan, I'll tell you one thing. We have very brilliant guys in our classroom. You just drop a message in the Telegram. They'll help you. Faizan, you drop a message in the Telegram. Someone will help you. Okay? 1 minute. Okay, fine. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care. Have a nice of the day. Who is this? It was a nice training attended. Savant, I really appreciate here because the thing is, this is only happened due to you guys because it was the batch standard around 80. Okay. And that too, everyone is understanding, guys. Okay. I really thank you so much from my bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And I really saying all the best. Any information needed, please ping it to my Telegram group. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Tomorrow hours we are not connecting, but yes, we are connecting 24/7 by Telegram. Okay. Take care, guys.